Hi, it's Ives, and for today's video, we're going to talk about worms. So, let's first define worms. According to usnorton.com, computer worm is a type of malware that spreads copies of itself from computer to computer. A worm can replicate itself without any human interaction, and it does not need to attach itself to a software program in order to cause damage. So, how does computer worms work? Worms can be transmitted via software vulnerabilities, or computer worms could arrive as attachments in spam emails or instant messages. Once opened, these files could provide a link to a malicious website or automatically download the computer worm. Once it's installed, the computer or the worm silently goes to work and infects the machine without the user's knowledge. Worms can modify and delete files, and they can even inject additional malicious software onto a computer. Sometimes, a computer worm's purpose is only to make copies of itself over and over, depleting system resources such as hard drive space or bandwidth by overloading a shared network. In addition to wreaking havoc on a computer's resources, worms can also steal data, install a backdoor, and allow a hacker to gain control over a computer and its system settings. So let's now tackle on how to tell if your computer has a worm. If in any case that you suspect your devices that has a computer worm, kindly run a virus scan immediately. Even if the scan comes up negative, continue to be proactive by following these 3 steps. First, keep an eye on your hard drive space. When worms repeatedly replicate themselves, they start to use up the free space on your computer. So be mindful for your free space. From time to time, check for your hard drive spaces. If in any case that there is a huge amount of free space that has been used and you didn't even use it in the first place, then you might have worms on your computer. Next is monitor speed and performance. Has your computer seemed a little sluggish lately? Are some of your programs crashing or not running properly? That could be a red flag that a worm is eating up your processing power. The last